Tyler, I didn't ask you for your last name. All right, you ready? You got to run it now. On your mark. You said